friends, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. So guys, today's session is very important, so I would suggest please watch the complete video. I'm going to explain the live demo for the session. Okay, so I would suggest please watch the complete video, and whoever new on my channel, please like and do subscribe. Thank you. So let's start the topic. So today topic is basically guys how to move tempdb from one drive to another drive. So as we all aware, the tempdb basically it's holding the temporary data, temporary variables. It could be system data or user data, right? So the question is how to move the tempdb from one drive to another drive. The tempdb phenomena we all aware, whenever the SQL server is starting, every time tempdb is recreating, right, with the new file. Every time it's dropping the MDF and LDF and recreating the MDF and LDF by in a default location. So now the situation is you need to move the MDF and LDF to another drive, because in the current drive you don't have the extra large room to give the space on a tempdb. So better you decided to move the tempdb to another drive. You have already drive, so how to do it? So this is the situation for today, right? So the moving the user database is quite different. You need to execute a couple of commands like alter database command, and the take the database offline, move the file physically from the location A to location B, and then switch on the database, right? Take the power on database. But here moving a tempdb, you need to execute a couple of steps. So before moving the tempdb files, you need to check whether the current tempdb file location and also you need to execute this command, select star from tempdb sys database files. If you execute the command, it will give you the current location of your tempdb. So you need to keep these details. So I'm going to keep these details for the current tempdb. Okay, and I will paste it here because I need this location. So I paste it here, the current file location of MDF and LDF, right? Let me adjust this screen. Okay, now you need to move the tempdb from the current location to different target location. So you need to give the tempdb database name already tempdb, the file name tempdev, you can take it from here, it's already there, tempdev. The file name tempdb MDF, you can copy it from here and paste it. And the location, I want to move this directory, so I will keep the directory here, the destination. Okay, I want to move the tempdb MDF here, and same the LDF as well. I want to move the LDF in the same location. You need to give the LDF file name. So give the LDF file name here, right? The name of the log file is same like temp logs, so no need to change it here. So as soon as you execute this command, let me execute this command, alter database. So what this is saying, the file tempdev has been modified in a system catalog. The new path will be used in the next time database is started. So basically it's saying logically it's changed. Once you restart the services, it will start working. So let me check whether it's changed the location or not. So I'm going to check again. If you see the path is modified, the tempdb MDF and the LDF both is modified here, but for working this functionality, you need to take the service restart. So let me take the service restart. Let me reopen the configuration manager, and here I will take the instance to restart. So it's restarting now. It will take couple of seconds. As soon as service will restart, your location already changed. Yeah, it's done now. Yes, so service is now running, and if you check here, so your file location, it's already changed, but now it's in a functional mode. So through this way you can move the MDF and LDF very easily from one location to one drive to another drive when it's required, right? This is very easy method. Alter database, use it. So today's session is for tempdb only. In the next session I will cover all the system database movement, how to move the system database from one drive to another drive. I will create one complete session for all the system database, and I will explain the live demo for the system database movement from one drive to another drive. So this way you can use it for tempdb movement. So that's it guys for today. In the next I will come very soon. Okay, so whoever new on my channel, please like, do subscribe. Thank you.